Hey, it's Prepper Action. Recently, I was contacted by a local San Diego company to review their tactical multi-tool shovel. This is the outdoor testing phase. The spade, or what we call a shovel in the United States, bit cleanly into this compact soil. I could have easily dug a hasty entrenchment in 1 to 2 hours. The total length is 29 inches, or 73.6 centimeters. The total weight is 2.5 ounces, or 1.04 kilograms. The material of the blade is stainless steel. The handle is aluminum. I'm not a huge fan of these types of compasses, but it will point you in a general direction. The chopping side of the shovel is sharp, but the handle did start to roll in my hands, as you can see in the last chop. My hands were getting sweaty and I was not wearing gloves. I may retest the chopping power if you are interested in a more thorough test. A little camera shakiness here, my bad. This can serve many uses, even chopping out old concrete. The end cap features a ferro rod that is solidly fixed in place. Here we have a saw and knife blade with a bottle opener. A cold beer would have been really nice right about here. The saw blade was pretty solidly mounted. It did not flex like some cheap blades do. I could have gone completely through this wooden fence in a minute or two if I wanted to. All in all, it held up to normal use as it is intended. So look for links in the description where you can purchase, and stay tuned for the free product giveaway of this tactical multi-tool shovel.